or of ensuring that individuals with disabilities have visibility and representation. Though all of these are very important. At homeless shelters, in mosques, churches, synagogues. With that, I'm happy to take your questions. But when we see a problem in ourselves, we try to solve it. Through this process of working to make ourselves ever more perfect, we've learned a few lessons I'd like to share with you today. To learning more about it. The Haiti of my surroundings, so my friends here in the front, so whether it's the Balinese dance or the other style of doing that as a group in circles. Well, in our community,